Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to share with you the alternatives to the FreeCX, what kind of things you have to be aware of. So the first one is a free BPX. So this is like the 100% free and open source, built on an Asterisk web-based GUI for easy management, highly customizable, no limit on extensions, user SquareOS, huge community support, compatible with most SIP phones. The cons: complex installation process, steep learning curve, advanced features require paid modules, updates can sometimes break things and require Linux knowledge, no native mobile app. So this is kind of like the one that you have to be aware of, and what kind of things you can actually like get if you want to start using it. So the first one. Now the second one is called Asterisk. So this is like free, open source, the foundation of most open source PBX systems. So you don't have the command line based by default. Very steep learning curve, requires significant technical knowledge, no beginner friendly, needs a front end like free BPX for easier management. And there's also another one is a Fusion BPX. So free and open source, built on a free switch, not Asterisk. True multi-tenant support, web-based interface, highly scalable, good for service providers, supports video calling. Now the cons is that it's smaller community than FreeBX, upgrades can be problematic. Documentation not extensive. Now also the next one is called like FreeSwitch. So this is like another one that you like can check out. And the FreeSwitch, it's free and open source, cross-platform, highly scalable, supports audio, video, text, WebRTC support, better for large deployments than Asterisk. But it got complex setup, smaller community than Asterisk, steeper learning curve, fewer pre-built GUs available, requires more technical expertise. So these ones are pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.